Go Instant Ship. Let's talk about it. If this continues, I may never use GOAT's Instant Ship feature ever again. And here's why. Let's get into this unboxing, and then I want to tell you guys why I may never use GOAT's Instant Ship feature ever again, and you may not have to either. You may be spending extra money for no apparent reason on certain sneakers. This sneaker right here, there is no reason for me to buy instantly on GOAT. I had no idea. I had no idea, though, because of what happened. So let me quickly explain, guys. This is now the second time in a row of a sneaker that is heavily backdoored. It's the truth. Heavily backdoored shoes. And Go Instant Ship is charging, of course, more money. You're going to spend $50 to $100, usually more, on top of what the normal price would be to get it instant. Okay, fine. However, for the second time in a row, it happened with the Travis Scotts. It happened with this shoe as well, where I'm doing a regular order, not the instant ship, and next thing you know, just a few hours later, I have a tracking number and the shoes are on the way to me. I purchased this shoe 2 days ago. 2 days ago. That is not even possible for the seller to ship out, go to authenticate, and then ship it out to me. It's not possible for it to be done in 2 days. It's not possible. It's too fast. Well, the shoes are already here. Yeah. So there's no reason to really buy certain sneakers on Go Instant Ship. You're going to be spending more money when you don't really need to on backdoored shoes. I'll say that. Heavily backdoored shoes, you don't need to do it. It seems like GOAT has pairs already there. I don't know what the whole situation is. It's a lot of backdooring going on these platforms. I'll say that. It's very obvious. They're trying not to make it obvious, but when you place the order and you get the shipping confirmation a few hours later on a shoe that was extremely backdoored, it's kind of obvious, I feel like. But anyway, that's a whole nother discussion. Allegedly, a whole nother discussion. Right here we have the trophy room box. I had to do it. Had to. I have the highs. They're in the collection. Let's see if you guys can see them. They all the way up top there. There they are. And now we got to add the lows. It's only right. Did get my size 11. Here they are. And these will be going straight to feet. I haven't worn the highs. I'm scared to wear them. But here are the lows. The GOAT, here it is. It just fell out. There it is. Fell out. It falls out all the time. Very easy to fall out. But here is the packaging. I love the packaging of this shoe. And I love the details. And I absolutely love what the shoe is inspired by. Because let's be honest, I'll never wind up owning that Michael Jordan rookie card. I don't think 99.999% of us ever will. So this is the next best thing for a fraction of the price, and it's wearable. It's a shoe, and yeah, they did a great job. The packaging, the story, the details. It's Trophy Room. I love Trophy Room. I love the collaborations. Michael Jordan's son does a great job, I'll be honest. He's just known for heavily backdooring his sneakers, and here they are. Boom. Allegedly. Here they are, the Trophy Room Jordan 1 lows. This is the away colorway. We are getting, I believe, the home colorway, which does have the white swoosh. Apparently limited to, I believe, 1,000 pairs, and they're numbered. Am I going to go spend crazy money on that pair? No. Nope. I'm done spending crazy money on shoes where it doesn't make sense to spend crazy money on, because, let's be honest, the swoosh is different. Whoop-de-doo. I'll take the black swoosh. I like the black swoosh better than the white swoosh anyway. So, yeah, these are fire. Straight fire. They did a great job. I love the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 lows. These are crazy good. The details, the storytelling, I love them. Very, very great shoe. Inspired by that Michael Jordan rookie card. That goes for 6 figures. So, absolutely wild. Absolutely wild collaboration. Michael Jordan's son, Marcus Jordan, you've done it again with another great, dope fire, straight fire collaboration. I'm here for it. I love it. They were definitely a must-cop. I did spend a little over $400, but it's cool. Definitely a must-have, and way less money than the highs. I spent $2,000 on the highs when the hype was there. Had them, before the actual release on Sneakers app, but that's another whole different topic. These are straight fire. GOAT's Instant Ship, guys. On certain shoes, you don't need to do it, because you're going to wind up getting that tracking number just a few hours later. So, if the shoe's heavily backdoored, I'll just say this, you don't need to. The Travis Scott University Red Jumpman Jacks, same thing happened. Got the tracking number just a few hours later. So, yeah, I'm basically done buying on Go Instant Ship. I don't think there's really a reason to on most sneakers. If you need the shoe 100% ASAP Rocky, then do it. You have no choice. You're going to be spending an arm and a leg to do that. Me personally, I'm never in that situation, to be honest. I've never been in that situation where I needed a certain pair of shoes in 2 days for an event. Like, that's never happened to me. So, I don't know anyone that's ever happened to. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about the Trophy Room Jordan 1 lows. Watch out for GOAT's instant ship feature. Use it, but use it with caution because you will be spending more money where you may not need to and still get your tracking number and your shoes in just a few days. 2 days later, here they are, Trophy Room Jordan 1 lows. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.